The 2024 Honda CB400N has hit the market with a series of significant updates that further solidify its reputation as a versatile and reliable choice in the midsize motorcycle segment. This latest iteration of the CB400N continues Honda's tradition of blending performance with practicality, now enhanced with modern design and technological improvements that cater to a wide range of riders. Design and technological enhancements. The 2024 CB400N features a refreshed design that blends classic and modern elements. Its streamlined bodywork includes a sleeker fuel tank and sharper lines, giving it a more aggressive appearance. The updated LED lighting system, with a new headlamp and taillight design, enhances visibility and adds a contemporary touch. Beneath its polished exterior, the CB400N is powered by a more potent 399cc parallel twin engine that improves power and torque across the rev range. A new slip assist clutch facilitates smoother gear shifts, reducing rider fatigue in urban settings. The suspension system has also been upgraded with revised damping settings for a more comfortable ride while ensuring precise handling. Additionally, the 2024 model boasts advanced electronics, including a digital LCD instrument cluster for quick access to essential information. Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, enhances safety by managing rear-wheel traction in varied conditions. These improvements make the CB400N a more refined and user-friendly motorcycle, appealing to both novice and experienced riders. Competitive edge in the midsize market. The updates to the CB400N position it as a strong contender in the midsize motorcycle market, competing with models like the Yamaha MT-03, Kawasaki Z400, and Suzuki SV650. Its combination of performance, technology, and affordability gives it a distinct advantage, especially in value-sensitive markets. With an upgraded engine and enhanced handling, the CB400N caters to diverse riding needs, from city commuting to weekend touring. Honda's dedication to keeping a competitive price point despite these upgrades further enhances the CB400N's appeal. This blend of quality and cost-effectiveness is likely to attract a wide range of customers, from young riders entering the market to experienced motorcyclists seeking a reliable midsize option. Industry impact and outlook. The 2024 Honda CB400N is set to make a significant mark on the motorcycle industry, especially in the midsize segment. As riders look for bikes that blend performance, practicality, and modern features, the CB400N's updates meet these demands. Its success may encourage competitors to improve their offerings, spurring further innovation in the segment. Looking forward, the CB400N could influence consumer preferences and establish new benchmarks for midsize motorcycles. Its mix of Honda's traditional reliability and contemporary advancements positions it as a leader in its class, potentially redefining expectations for midsize sport bikes in the future.